Welcome to VI Instruments Private Limited demo of the compression testing machine 1000 kN digital. This is screw of the CTM. This is upper plate of the CTM. This is lower plate of the CTM. Under lower plate there is a piston cylinder and piston cover in black color. This is distant piece of the CTM. This has to be placed between lower plate and piston cylinder while testing the samples. This is pumping unit of the CTM. These two are valves of the pumping unit, and a smaller one is release valve, bigger one is pressure control valve. This black pipe is hose pipe of the CTM connecting pumping unit and load frame. This is oil tank of the CTM, contains hydraulic oil 68 number. This is inlet and outlet of the oil tank. This is connecting point of load frame to the pumping unit. This is connecting point of pumping unit to the load frame. They are connected with the hose pipe. Before starting your machine, do proper foundation of the machine. Balance the machine with the help of spirit level. Check the balance with the help of spirit level of the machine from all the points as shown over here. Check the balancing with the help of spirit level. Air bubble of the spirit level must be stayed at the middle of the marked area. These are foundation hole of the machines. These are foundation holes of the pumping unit. Same way balancing of the pumping unit. Startup of the machine. After foundation, first step is to fill oil in the pumping unit of the machine. It is recommended to use 68 number hydraulic oil that has to be procured by you. Fill the hydraulic oil with the help of filler. This is provided with the machine. After filling oil, please tight the booch of the oil tank. Please do not keep it open. This will protect oil from the dust and will increase the life of the machine. Now you have to connect the load frame to the pumping unit with the help of hose pipe on nipple provided on the piston cylinder. You have to fit hose pipe by rotating the nut of the hose pipe. You have to rotate in clockwise direction. Now you have to connect the same hose pipe to the pumping unit. The nipple of the same is provided on the right hand side of the pumping unit. Process is the same. Tight it properly so oil doesn't leak over from there. installation of the software to your computer. Go into the software cd from my computer, which is provided with the machine. Go into the folder ctm, enter or you may copy the same folder, then double click on the setup. You will find this installation window. After that, you will find this window. Just click on ok button to continue. Now you will find load indicator installation window. Just click on the computer icon to continue. Now again, press on continue to continue the process. Now just click on yes for 2 times and your software is installed. Press ok. Now your software is installed. Only thing you need to do is to create new folder in C drive called TechMac. All Excel file you generate with the help of the software will automatically be saved in folder TechMac in C drive. After installation of the software, you need to install the drive for this cable. This will communicate between your computer and load indicator. Then you have to install drive on to of this cable supplied with this cable. Then you have to find folder called etc810 in this cd data. Go into that folder. In this folder you have to select the folder of your operating system you see in your computer, you use in the computer. Then copy the entire software and save it in anywhere in your computer. I use Windows XP, so I have a copied folder Windows XP and save it in my computer. Once the folder is copied, you may insert a USB cable in the computer. Now you may connect these two cables. One cable is coming out from the load indicator and another is coming from the computer, the drive for which we have just installed. Load indicator of the CTM. This is load indicator. Your load indicator has four lines. First line shows the current load, second line shows the peak load, and another two lines shows results in kg per centimeter square and newton per mm square. It has nine buttons. By pressing set button, you can go into the password module. By pressing up down arrow key, you can go into the desired number of password. To go into specific password, you have to press again set. So now we are into password 1, which is span value. With the help of this, we can calibrate our machine. So if you feel your calibration is disturbed, you just have to enter your span value, which is mentioned in your calibration certificate here. By entering your span value, your machine will be automatically be recalibrated. After entering your span value, press enter to save the value in the load indicator. As you press enter, you will come out to the main screen of the indicator. In password 3, there is maximum trip value. This is the value beyond which your machine will be tripped. Keep this value 950 kilonewton. Press enter to come out. In password 4, you can enter dimension of your samples. This will give you kg results in kg per centimeter square and newton per mm square. Enter button will save the value. So after all modification, come out with the help of button enter. Enter will save the your value. When you are on the main screen of the indicator, you can explore last 10 results by pressing up and down arrow key. Operation of the compression testing machine. To start the test, place the distance piece on the piston cylinder, rotate the screw in a upward direction. Now put the sample on the plate. Make sure that you put sample on the middle of the middle place. Please check the sample with the help of scale from all the sides. Now rotate the screw in downward direction until it touches to the sample. Now tighten the release valve by rotating the same in clockwise direction. Now press start button. This will start motor of the machine. Now fast the load by forwarding the pressure control valve. Once the sample breaks, stop the machine by pressing stop button. Please clean the machine before starting the new test. Software of this ATM, you need to do this process simultaneously with the process. Go into the start menu, select the load indicator in the menu, and double and click on that. Two screen will be opened as soon as you follow the steps. Green screen is exact replica of your indicator. In this Excel sheet, your data will be stored. You can save n number of results in this Excel sheets. By clicking on the graph, you may also see the graph of the sample and can also save the same in PDF format. As soon as the sample breaks, press enter in the load indicator to save the reading in the Excel file. After that, press the stop button to stop the machine. You can see the results saved over here in Excel file. Thank you.